All right, good afternoon from beautiful Phoenix, Arizona, Scottsdale, as a matter of fact. We are at 7751 East Buena Terra Way today in Scottsdale. That's 85250, basically Hayden Road and Jackrabbit Road. That's a fun road to say, Jackrabbit Road. This here, we've got 3-bedroom, 3-bath, recently renovated, 1,961 square foot, built in 1979, but you wouldn't know it by looking at the inside. So we're gonna do 2 different tours. I'll get you through the house on the main one, and then I'll do a backyard tour as well. I haven't had a second here. We've had so many people through the coming soon open house today, which is open for offers, and the seller can entertain everybody's offers. So if you want to place an offer or come for twilight showing, what have you, I can arrange that, not a problem. Just contact me, reach out, give me a call or a text. I'd rather do that than a DM. So I'm at 480-203-3704, as you can clearly see on the sign. So let's go inside and take a quick look. And just in the way of upload speed and so forth, like I said, I'll break this into 2 parts and we'll go from there. So here's the entranceway. Got a really nice door here. This actually is a closet here behind this mirror. Just regular storage for a front hall closet, jackets, so forth. The house is a split plan. So we have additional storage here. So really 2 front closets, has a nest system. And we've got the primary, which we'll go to right away. This is the primary suite side of the house. There's still a little patching and painting going on. Like I said, it's in a coming soon status, so we've got a few things to do here. But for the most part, it's ready to go. Has a really nice access to the pool. So if it were me, I would be putting a little breakfast bistro table out there or something to that effect, and have a little coffee maker over there with a nice stand, espresso machine for when I wake up in the morning, make some coffee, sit out there, do some meditation, reflection, and try to have a good day, make somebody else happy. The floor tile looks great. Double vanities, shaving mirror, essential. We've got the Hollywood bulbs there. We've got a really nice walk-in closet. The tile is just really awesome. I don't know if you can really see it. It's shimmery, and it's hard to capture it on this little video. But anyways, we've got a great shower, rainforest, and then handheld. Beautifully done. Towel racks, gotta have them. Newer windows for sure. Canned lighting for nighttime. And let's go to the secondary bedroom real quick. We're at 3 minutes, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tour the secondary bedroom and powder room and the great room, and we're gonna stop. Then I'm gonna go to the kitchen, and then I'll do the other bedroom, guest bedroom, and then we'll do outside. So that's how we'll roll this out. I knew you'd agree. Okay, so here is the curb appeal this is just the front, one of the front guest rooms. Looks really nice. Desert landscaping is beautiful. There is no HOA here, but yet that's great news in this case because everybody keeps their house looking really good. So we're not worried about that. Got a regular closet there. Here we've got the renovated bathroom. It's similar to the other one, except no rainforest faucet overhead, but really great tile work, as you can see. Large, comfortable, beautiful, bright exhaust. Open the window and just have it go out. It's awesome. Really beautiful vanity. Modern lighting. Then this goes out here back into the hallway. That's where we were, just in the primary. And here is the step-down living room. It's a sunken living room, which is a little bit unique, but it's only about, I want to say not even 6 inches, probably 5 inches, something like that. I didn't measure it, but very large room, recessed lights, brand new. dedicated storage, and you put your surround sound on their sound bar, whatever. You put the TV on the wall there if you want, and it looks great. And then we look into the dining area here, little dinette. There is a little EDAT snack bar, which I'll get to in part 2, but we're at about 5.5 minutes here, and I want to have this upload correctly. So I will leave you with this pool as a teaser, but I'm gonna pause right now and we're gonna go into the kitchen. Stay tuned for part 2.